WCF REST starter kit. If you've worked with REST before, there are some limitations in what you can do. First of which is, where's my wisdom? If I build a REST-based service and I want someone to consume it and to work with it, how do I define how do you use it? I could write a document, then as a developer, I got to keep maintaining this document. One thing the REST starter kit gives you is help. It also gives you help caching too. I mean, if you're working with a REST-based service, they have a list of countries. How often is there a new country? Every time there's a remote, so not every day, right? But only once a day. So I should be able to cache this data instead of having it queried. So if you take advantage of our ASP net dependency cache that we have and put it into a REST-based service, and it has help for doing this. If you're working with REST-based services, download this and use it. It's Microsoft.service model instead of system.service model, but this stuff will probably be coming into .NET 4. Quick little example. Here I have a REST-based service. I have a get contact method. You pass in a contact ID, and I return your contact. I define it as an operation contact, and I say a web get. This is how I define a REST-based service. If I want to build help for it, all I got to do is this. Bam. Another attribute. Web help. And I give it a general comment. That comment can be as long as I want. What it generates is this. You can now go to my website, /help, and you get an Atom Help feed for help for having a REST service. Again, it's Atom Help because you can subscribe to it. So as my service changes, you'll know that if you subscribe to it. And this has given me the URI template, how do you get to my method, what kind of HTTP method you use on it, get or post, what am I returning? Is it XML, is it JSON? And then if you click on these links, they actually give you examples of the data that's returned. And finally, my description. In that description, you can say what parameters should look like and all that other stuff. Yeah?
So they're adding wisdom to the rest?
It's not wisdom. they're trying to bridge that gap. Because there is quite a gap there. Silverlight 2 toolkit was also announced. You do anything with Silverlight 2? They finally got stability controls in there. I'm not going to go over all of them, but they got a label and a tree view. Some stuff that was probably missing from actually developing applications on it. They announced a whole bunch of new themes and theming support on stuff. Microsoft Research. A guy named Rick Ration came to Microsoft in '92 and started